Hey, what's up everyone? It's Hash, and today we're going to learn this iconic song, Beat It by Michael Jackson. We are in half a step lower than standard tuning, which is our D sharp or E flat tuning. If you guys need any help tuning your guitars to this tuning, I do have a video on my channel as well for this tuning, and I think I just said tuning about 6 times, which is kind of annoying. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so I start off with my low E open, then I play the 3rd fret, then the 2nd fret of my A string, then I'm going to go to the 5th fret of my D string. And if I palm mute it, and then we're going to play the 2nd fret of our D string. Now in the recording, it sounds like they have one guitar that's playing clean tone, and it sounds like they duplicated that guitar and they also added some gain to that same guitar. So it's not as heavy as how I'm playing it right now because I'm using some more distortion. That's why I'm palm muting some of these notes, which makes it sound really cool, by the way. Okay, so we went. So after we play the 2nd fret of our D string, we're going to hammer on to the 4th fret. So after I hammered on, I went. So I hammered to the 4th fret of my D string, then I play the 2nd fret of my D string, and then I play my D string open. So it may take you some while to get this funky picking motion here, or this funky timing, which is really fun, by the way. Okay, so then we play that exact same thing again, but the 2nd time, instead of doing, we go. So let me slow this down. 2nd time. So we went. The 1st time we did. The 2nd time we go. So we're now playing our D string open in the end on the 2nd time. So let's backtrack. And the timing is a little bit different. So on the 1st ending we go, and on the 2nd ending we go. Okay. And there's a 2nd guitar that's doing this. You could probably also play it like this. Okay, so what's going on here is there's a lot of, that's palm muting your strings, and while playing that you're doing, so that's the 12th fret of the D and G string, so we're playing the 12th fret of our D and G string, and then we're playing the 9th fret of our D and G string. We could even do it like this. So you could actually get this chord, the 9th fret of your D and G string, from your A and D string on the 14th fret. Do the same thing. Okay, so the 1st time he's doing, and the second time he goes, So okay, so the first two chords are, that's the 12th fret of your D and G string to the 9th fret. And the second time around, what you're doing is you're playing the 12th fret of your D string, but the 11th fret of your G string. So you went from to, and you're playing the 7th fret of your G and D string to end it. So you went, just write down. All right, so the rhythm is, okay, so we're just doing 3 chords here. We're playing the 7th fret of our A and 9th fret of our D and G string, and then we're going to go 2 frets lower to the 5th fret of our A and 7th fret of our D and G string. So and we repeat this a few times until we go. So what we're doing here is we're going to the 3rd fret of our A and the 5th fret of our D and G string. So all we did is we went 2 frets lower again. So we went, and then we come back to the 5th fret of our A and 7th fret of our D and G string. So we went, and that repeats over and over again. So let's do it slow. And there's another guitar in the background that's doing. Okay, so we're playing our D string open, and then we play the 2nd fret of our D string, and then we play our D string open twice, and then the 2nd fret again. So we did, and then we go, so we play the 2nd fret of our D string again to the 4th fret, back to the 2nd, open D, and the 2nd fret. So let's slow this down. Again. And then we're going to go back to the 4th fret, to the 2nd, open D, to the 2nd. So here's what we have. Well, that just about sums it up. That is the rhythm parts of this song. Let me know if you would like me to teach anything else, and I will catch you guys next time. Take care.